Step 1. Unboxing the cabinet. Use a tool to cut the two straps securing the carton. Remove the 4 white locks on the bottom front and back sides of the carton. To do this, pinch the center of each lock and push inward to release. With 2 people, lift the carton straight up and off the cabinet. Remove the protective packaging materials from the cabinet. The top lid is not fixed yet, lift it off and place it aside. Note: do not remove the 2 A4 instruction sheets beneath the lid at this stage. With help, lift the cabinet out of the carton base and place it on the ground.
Step 2. Adjusting the brackets and wheels and using the controller. Move the cabinet to the desired location. Rotate the red gears on the 4 wheels counterclockwise to lift the wheels off the ground. Open the support brackets at each corner and turn the locks to secure them in place. When moving the cabinet, fold the support brackets. On smooth ground, 1 person can move it easily. On uneven surfaces, 2 people should move it together, or lift it if necessary. Plug the included power cable into the cabinet and connect it to a power source. Check the controller on the side of the cabinet. The blue light indicates normal operation. Press the up arrow to raise the TV lift. The lift will rise slowly until it reaches the top. Press either the up or down button during movement to stop the lift. Obstacle warning. Ensure no obstacles are in the lift's path. Using the self-learning button, press and hold the button for several seconds to start. The lift will lower to the bottom, then automatically rise to the top. This process sets the new upper and lower limits of the lift. If your lid has been modified, e.g. made thicker for a stone finish, use this function to redefine the minimum height. You can also manually stop the lift during ascent to set a custom maximum height.
Step 3. Installing the TV. Prepare the power cable. Since different TV models use different types of power cables and connector lengths, we are unable to provide a one-size-fits-all solution. Please prepare your own power cable according to your TV's requirements and connect it to the power socket located inside our cabinet. If the original power cable is not long enough, please purchase an extended version. Organize the power cable. Open the tank chain-style cable organizer, place the TV power cable inside, and connect it to the cabinet side power socket. This setup ensures the cable moves along with the lift mechanism, preventing entanglement or breakage during the TV's vertical movement, which helps avoid potential safety hazards. Remove the vertical mounting brackets. Loosen the 2 screws and detach the 2 vertical TV mounting brackets from the frame. Attach the brackets to the TV. Using the appropriate screws, attach the 2 vertical brackets to the Visa mounting holes on the back of the TV. Note, as the Visa screw sizes, diameter and length vary across different TV models, we do not provide screws for this step. Please refer to your TV manual to identify the correct screws. A total of 4 screws are needed. Check bracket positioning. Refer to the positioning guide included in the manual. After installation, the top edge of the TV should be slightly higher than the top of the mounting brackets. The cover bracket is fixed to the bracket on the back of the TV and secured with screws. The position of the cover bracket has been precisely adjusted before locking. Do not loosen or readjust it, as doing so will make readjustment very difficult. Mount the TV onto the frame. With assistance from 2 or more people, carefully lift the TV, with brackets attached, and hang it onto the square mounting frame. Adjust the position to center the TV horizontally within the frame. Secure the TV brackets. Tighten the 2 screws at the bottom of the TV brackets to lock the TV in place. Connect signal cables. Organize and connect all required signal cables such as USB, RJ45, and HDMI to the TV. Ensure all connections are secure and neatly routed.
Step 4. Installing the top lid. Review the instruction label and diagram attached to the top of the cabinet. Place the lid on top of the cabinet and adjust it until it's centered. Slowly pull out the 2 A4 sheets from underneath. Press down firmly on the lid to bond it to the supporting structure.
About weather protection. Our TV cabinet is fully rain resistant. It can withstand heavy rain. However, we recommend using a weatherproof outdoor TV, which not only resists rain but also has higher brightness, ensuring visibility under sunlight. Ordinary indoor TVs are not designed for outdoor use and may be damaged by rain or moisture. If you use a regular indoor TV, make sure to power it off and lower it into the cabinet during rain. Alternatively, move the cabinet to a sheltered area if watching TV in the rain. Condensation warning: using indoor TVs outdoors may expose them to morning dew, which could cause damage. Avoid turning on the TV early in the morning when moisture is present. It's safer to use it in the afternoon after the dew has evaporated.
Remote video support. If you experience any issues during installation or use, you can call our customer service line at +1 346 652 1958, then connect with us via WhatsApp video, and we'll guide you through the setup. We would also love to see how your cabinet looks in your backyard. Please send us photos of your setup to service@theintellicube.com. With your permission, we may share your beautiful outdoor space on our website to inspire others. Thank you for your trust and support. We hope our product brings you more joy and comfort in your outdoor living experience.